So, this is a love reading for you, Libra, for July to August. In this reading, I'm going to take out a heart shaped spread for you and your love interest, and then see how's the guidance. This love interest could be your spouse, it could be your ex, a boyfriend, girlfriend, or just someone you have a crush on, or just someone you keep thinking about regularly. So, this is a general reading, and everything will not resonate as it is with all Libra, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Okay, I'm seeing a celebration card for you, Libra. You are happy. You are amazingly happy. It's just such a nice card to see. It's so good to see a happy card, people who are enjoying love life. So I'm seeing you in lot of happiness, Libra. It's either just generally loving people, or loving your people at workplace, or just being so much in love with your partner. This guidance alone is telling me some of you have just gotten married, and you're loving all the adulation, all the pampering that you get from your in-laws, or the extended family. You're totally loving it, Libra. And it's just amazing. It's such a beautiful guidance to see. And this celebration is also telling me that everybody joined in, or everybody is happy that the two of you are together. It could be an engagement also which got solidified, but the two of you are very happy, and your family is even more happy. There's just a celebration card, and it's just a lot of happiness I'm seeing here. When I look at your partner, he or she also has a lot to be happy for. Your partner is someone who makes very close friends, and is just happy with life, and has so many stories to tell. So your partner is very smug, and feeling great about life, and you are also feeling very happy, enjoying life to the hilt. The two of you, one thing that is common is you both are feeling amazingly on top of the world. There is great happiness you both are going through, and very blessed and happy cards. There's not much you can ask, or there's not more you can ask when the cards are so happy. Very beautiful guidance, and you both seem to be making the most of life and being together. Very nice. Also, it's possible the two of you have a great bonding, or you both bond over a lot of humor, or you like to crack jokes together. So there's always some laughter or a joke going on, some prank going on. Very nice. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So there is a certain father figure, or a certain person of authority missing in your life. This is mostly a grandfather or a father figure, because when the guidance is in the reverse, it's just telling me you're missing this person. You're missing this person's able guidance. You're missing this person. It could be a matriarch also, it could be a mother or a grandmother also, who was very outspoken or loud in the way in the way she was. So it's just because it's emperor and a man shown in the picture, it's not necessarily a man, it's just an energy. So it could very well be a woman. So I'm just saying that you're missing a certain power figure or a person of authority at this point in time in your life. It's like you're so happy, you're seeking blessings, and you're missing this ancestor in some way. It could be your grandparent also who passed off maybe when you were a kid, or he or she passed away maybe when you were a teenager, or sometime maybe recently, but you're missing this person. It's like you wish you could talk to them, or he or she could just guide you in lot of ways. Now, what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? Your partner is very good at his or her work, Libra. I am seeing your partner with little bit of work, maybe 10 minutes of work can make the amount of money maybe people make in 1 week. He or she is very good at their work, and almost have some kind of excellence about it, or your partner is very sought after for the kind of work they do. So I'm just seeing very beautiful guidance here. So also I'm seeing your partner is in lot of money. It's quite possible your partner has made lot of money. Maybe he or she has written some kind of a book, or is some kind of a practitioner in some way, but his or her skill set is sought after, and your partner has made lot of money and enjoys life. So very nice, very nice. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's always eager to help, who's very charitable and has a lot to give, and is very fair, and just a generous, nice soul in this world. You have such a great opinion about your partner, Libra. You feel your partner does not turn away anybody. So you're aware, Libra, you know that your partner is very rich or well to do, and you also know that your partner is very, very helpful and giving. It's almost like no matter who will ask, your partner will give. It is also possible, Libra, for some of you, your partner is running a NGO. He or she could be doing some work in terms of people from very poor backgrounds, in some terms of some education, or running some kind of programs to help people uplift their lives. Your partner could be running a very successful NGO also. But either ways, you see your partner as very generous, very, very helpful, and giving away very, very, very generously. Your partner sees you as someone who's been pushing for the marriage for the longest time. It's like, Libra, you've been saying, let's get married now. Can we get married now? Isn't it the most right time for us to get married? So your partner feels that you've forever been pushing for a marriage, which is not a bad thing, but he or she feels that that is the most important thing for you. And I don't know if your partner has said yes or not, or he or she is taking time, but your partner sees that you forever wanting to solidify the relationship and go the next level or push for a marriage. That's how your partner sees you. So, but I'm seeing things are very close to a marriage or next level, because there's a celebration. Your partner is also very happy. So marriage or next level in the relationship is close around, or is looking very, very close. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future with each other? In the future, Libra, you are looking at your partner as someone who's working more with the closed mind. Libra, you want your partner to accept that in a marriage there could be more people, or there could be a marriage which has more than one person as a love interest. So it's not cheating, it's not it's not like your partner is um, so all I want to say is that your Libra, you want your partner to have a very open mind about how the relationship will be, and that marriage can be enjoyed and could be more more freewheeling than controlled or you know too laced with scrutiny. So you believe that in the future your partner should be accepting that there could be a certain love interest, or there could be a fling or two, and he or she should not lose their mind over it. So this is just how you want your partner to mature and not carry emotions on the sleeve and then pick a fight with you should such a thing happen in the future. About the future, your partner believes, Libra, that you are someone who's healing. You've had a broken heart, you were hurt, but you are healing. And your partner is going to wait till the healing is done and then ask you if things are looking good, and then how do we take the whole thing forward. So from the past there has been a certain hurt that you've been carrying, and this energy is moving into the future as worry also for your partner. So he or she is going to give time to see how you heal, how much time is needed for healing, and how good you're then with your situation, and then he or she will like to take it forward. So this is how I'm getting the future energies for the two of you. Now let us see what is the past you are coming from, Libra, and what is the past your partner is coming from. You're very, very giving. You have amazing love energy about you, Libra. You're almost like this bear energy, like you have protection, you have so much love to give, and you're very, very supportive. A lot of I don't know how well people would understand this energy, but this is somebody who's very, very supportive. It's like he or she will offer you a lot of help on their own. This is not a person who's waiting to be asked. So Libra, in the past you have gone around helping people, and I'm seeing this charitable nature made you meet your partner who may be running a charity or a NGO or is busy doing something related to a charity. You're so amazing with this energy from the past that you've been going out, reaching out to people, asking, do you need something, can I help you with something. You could be a very well liked person in your neighborhood, because I'm just seeing that you reach out and you try to help people. Very nice, beautiful guidance. Now what is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner's been down with a certain fight or certain argument or a conflict with some set of people. It could be the workplace, it could be the ex, it could be the extended family, somebody in the friend circle, somebody you've newly relocated to, but it is in the past and your partner is recovering, but he or she was hurt very badly. I'm also seeing that your partner may have had some kind of an accident, or just because of sitting, he or she has got some back problem or something, and he or she been taking rest for a long time. So it's quite possible your partner then has excelled at work and then now does little bit but does great work and then makes a lot of money, because he or she spent a lot of time working long hours and maybe got a back problem and then was out of work or took rest for a very long time. That's how I'm seeing the card here. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So cards are very nice. The two of you are happy. You both see each other very well. What is coming forward is a testing energy. I'm seeing a rough weather. and you both will need to brave this rough weather to make it last, to make this relationship last, or go all the way. So there is a testing energy coming. Maybe there will be some kind of a fight, maybe something related to money, or just one of you not feeling that great, or some medical checkup or something needed. But I'm just seeing some rough testing energy coming your way, and then it will be universe way of checking how the two of you will stick it out. So this is how the reading is, Libra, for you and your love interest.